We are Intelligentcia, a company headquartered in Paris, institutionalized the concept of building innovative solutions through rigorous applied research. Our company is founded by top-notch scientists from different academia in France and other European countries. Our goal is to serve enterprises with the best data science solutions. Our solutions bring the uncut research results and tailor them to meet industrial needs. We use state-of-the-art technologies for building enterprise end-to-end solutions that could fetch massive data streams in real time, analyze them using advanced machine learning algorithms, and visualize results using comprehensive and easy-to-interpret dashboards. What do we offer? Intelligentcia offers a range of software products and services grouped into different categories including image and video analytics, text analytics, and business intelligence. Our key products: Eagle Eye, system for security agencies. Eagle Eye is a state-of-the-art surveillance system for security agencies to track suspected criminals or terrorists within a surveillance network. It is developed using cutting-edge Industry 4.0 technologies, including IoT devices, real-time AI and powerful dashboards. Eagle Eye has outstanding features that transform the notion of conventional surveillance system. It supports creating a hyper-connected ecosystem which binds smart glasses, CCTVs, analytics applications, security analysts, and on-field security agents to identify and track the suspects. Field agents use smart glasses on streets to capture a car's license plate's image, analyze it, and verify if the car has a stolen report or it has criminal history. The AI detects, recognizes, and verifies the images in real time and sends the results back to the field agent within a second or less. The security analyst in the back office can add any suspect in their surveillance system, which is powered by our highly advanced AI agent that detects every suspect exposed to the camera's CCTVs within the surveillance network. There is more. Eagle Eye AI can detect life-threatening weapons such as knives, handguns, shotguns, and rifles. It triggers red code alert and relay the information to all nearest field agents. It offers multi-layered security system to ensure highly secured communication between the clients and the server. Intelligentcia offers customer 360-degree analytics for banking industry. Customer 360-degree analytics is an integrated financial intelligence solution that focuses heavily on customer-oriented analytics for banks. It supports feeding structured and unstructured data from a multitude of heterogeneous sources including internal databases of banks, social media accounts, and many others. It is developed using various analytical models to produce a rich customer profile. Produce rich profile of the customers viewed by the financial executives. Segment customers for customer relationship executives and sales executives of the banks. Analyze credit risk based on clients' financial activities. Detect fraudulent transactions. Analyze sentiment of customers. Detect customer churn. Analyze loan activities. It also offers an integrated and interactive dashboard to view trends patterns. The interactive dashboard enables banking executives to filter queries, modify visualization patterns, and navigate between the dashboards. We have sales forecasting solution for manufacturing companies. Using the latest time series forecasting models, Intelligentcia offers to its clients accurate estimates about how their sale charts are going to move in the future. We provide different customized solutions that suit every business. Univariate forecasting, based on time and seasonality. Multivariate forecasting, that takes different external factors into account such as weather, socio-politics, context, and others. Causality models, to explain variations. Forecasting could be updated as the client prefer in an easy way. Forecast next month, trimester, year, and 5 years. Forecast global sales. Forecast specific sales. Forecast sales in a specific region. We have an outstanding record of working with governments, banks, telecom, and manufacturing companies. If you are an enterprise that needs prescription for your data science AI projects, we are ready to be your consultant. We help companies in requirement gathering, designing, developing, and piloting analytics. We also offer various enterprise training programs that suit all levels. If you are an enterprise looking for analytics and AI solutions, contact us. Intelligentcia, where research meets industry.